Hey everyone, how is it going? Are you tired of seeing ads, suggestions, and recommendation all over Windows 11? The good news is that you can disable most of them in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your settings, click on privacy and security, and click on recommendations and offers. Just turn them all off, you can see, and let app show me personalization ads by using my advertising ID. So turn them all off. Let's website show me locally relevant content. Now let's move to the second fix. Click on system, into the settings, click on notifications and scroll down and turn them off. Offer suggestion on how I can set up my device and get tips and suggestion when using Windows and lots of things. You can see suggestions, uh, autoplay, security and maintenance, and startup notifications, a lot more. You can simply turn them off. And next is let's clean up the startup menu. Just simply go for into your setting personalization and scroll down a little bit and then click on start. Into the start, turn off show recently added apps and turn off your recommended files start recently, just turn them off, and turn off show recommendations, tips, shortcut, and new apps and more. Turn them all off. This reduces the amount of suggested content shown in the start menu. Still seeing ads? Let's check File Explorer. Just open the File Explorer, click on this three dot and click on Options. Go to View, Show Synced Provided Notification, uncheck it. Then click Apply and then click OK. Very simple. This disables promotional notifications from services like OneDrive inside File Explorer. And here's one more useful setting. For that, you have to open your Windows settings, come over into privacy and security, and open diagnosis and feedback and turn them off these data. Turn them off like mine. This prevents Microsoft from using diagnosis data to show personalized tips, recommendation, and ads. And that's it. Windows 11 should now feel much cleaner with fewer ads, suggestions, and promotional notifications. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which Windows feature annoys you the most. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.